In this video, we will walk you through the process of installing your new 4G LTE cellular radio into your Frontpoint Control Panel. Our first step to swapping the radio will be to unplug your panel from the wall outlet. You can now disconnect the red battery wire, which is located at the bottom of the panel. Hold the ends of the battery wire and twist while you pull them apart. The panel is now fully powered down. Next, we will open the control panel. Hold the panel so that the buttons and screen are facing you. On the top of the panel, locate the two buttons shaped like grains of rice and press those in. The panel will now open like a briefcase. Lay the panel with the buttons and screen facing down. You will now see the green circuit board on the right-hand side. This is our cellular radio. Make note of how the antenna wire is routed. We will need to remember this when we route the new antenna wire. Use a screwdriver to remove the two screws that are holding the radio in place. These are in opposite corners of the circuit board. Set the screws aside as you will need these screws again in a few minutes. Now find the small channel at the bottom of the control panel next to the phone jack. Use the tip of the screwdriver to gently lift the circuit board and antenna and place it off to the side. Now pick up your new LTE radio. The radio will have two antennas. At the end of each antenna, you will notice a gold connector. This connects to the piece on the circuit board. Very gently pinch with your thumb and your forefinger. The antenna should be able to swivel but not come out. After you have the antennas connected, take the new circuit board and gently press it in the same location of the old one. Then replace your two screws. The longer antenna fits into the top of the panel where the original antenna was located. The wire needs to be properly routed or the panel will not close. Make sure it loops to the right above the battery wall and then back to the top of the panel. The smaller antenna should be placed in the slot just above the battery. We are now ready to close the panel. Make sure the red battery wires are exiting the panel via the slot on the back of the panel. Check to see that the hinge on the bottom of the panel is in place so that the panel can swing closed. Snap the panel closed like a briefcase. Reconnect the red battery wires. Place the AC power adapter back into the wall. Now that we have the new radio installed and the panel is powered back on, open the Frontpoint app on your mobile device and go to Equipment Setup in our menu. This will walk you through the final step of activating your new cellular radio.